Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to update Instagram email address. This is quite a simple process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now, first things first, you can click on the top right corner to go into the hamburger menu. And then you can click on the first option available, which is the Accounts Center. Once you're here in Accounts Center, you can scroll down and see an option where it says Personal Details. Click on Personal Details, and then you can go ahead and click on Contact Info. It's the first option again. And then you can go ahead and click on the Add New Contact option. Once you do that, you can go ahead and either add a mobile number or an email address. Since this video is about the email address, you can go ahead and add that. Once you click on that, it will give you an option to add that email. And once that is done and you verify the email address, you can now use it as your primary email address for Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your Instagram email address. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.